Repeat. Whenever you are given a sequence of numbers, you have to check what kind it is. Is it a linear sequence? That means the nth term will be this form. Is it a quadratic sequence? Then the nth term will be quadratic form. Or it is a cubic sequence, and nth term will be cubic form. Now, how do we identify which form? If the first difference, that means you find the difference between the term. If the first difference is constant, then it is this form. If the second difference is constant, not the first difference, the second difference is constant, then it is this form. And if the third difference is constant, the third difference is constant, then it is this form. So I will do one question. He says 6, 13, 20, 27, 34, 41 are given. So I'm given 6, 13, 20, 27, 34, 40. I find the difference between these two terms. 13 minus 6 is 7. 20 minus 13 is 7. 27 minus 20 is 7. So I find that the first difference is constant. That means this must be this form. This must be this form, an plus b. So that means the nth term must be an plus b. That I have come to know. Because the first difference is Achha, if an plus b is the, what is a, what is b? N is the nth term. So this will be there. But what is a and what is b? How do we do that? What we do is we use this series. We know that the first term is 6. So when n is 1, the term we get is 6. So I put a 1 as here, I'll get a plus b is 6. That's what he's doing. Then what do I put? A as n as 2. I put n as 2. I'll get 2a plus b is 13. So I have got two equations. I have got two simultaneous equations with two unknowns. I solve them and I can get the what is a and b. So this way you can find a and b, and I'll do this. A plus b is 6. 2a plus b is 13. So I'm going to just subtract this from this. This cancels. I get a is 7. So a is 7, b is minus 1. So that means the answer is 7a and n minus 1 is the nth term. This is what you have to do. I'll do the next one. I find another series which is given in the form of dots. You'll have to calculate the number, but even if it's not given, it could be directly given like 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 20. Okay, I have to find the nth term. First, I find the first difference. 3 minus 1 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 19 minus 6 is 10 minus 6 is 4. I find that the first difference is not constant. 15 minus 10 is 5. 21 minus 15 is 6. Okay, first difference is, so it is not an plus b because the first difference is not constant. So this is not the case. Okay, the second difference, 3 minus 2 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. This is constant. That means it must be when the second difference is constant, is coming out 1, 1, 1, 1, then it is when the second difference is constant, then it is this form. So now I know this equation is an square plus bn plus c. Now how do I find? I have to find a, b and c for the nth term because n to will appear. So what I do is I say, okay, let a be, let n be 1. So this will become a plus b plus c. That is what? That is 1. Then I put a n as 2. It will become 4a plus 2b plus c is 3. And similarly, 3 I put, it will become 9a plus 3b plus c is 6. Then what do I do? Three unknowns, three I can solve for them. So this one way is to solve them simultaneously. If you don't know how to do this, or if you find this too troublesome, what you can do is you can remember this table. If the this is the oh sorry the cube series quadratic, this is the table. So the first term I put n as 1, I get a plus b plus c. If I put n as 2, I get this. If I put n as 3, I get this. I've subtracted this will come. And I subtract again 5a minus 3. So this 2a is the second. And in our case, this was coming out to be 1. So this was coming out to be 1. So 2a is equal to 1. So a is off. So this I've got 1. So I was getting this is 2a, always 2a. Then this term, if you see the table and match this table with this table, you will find this is 3a plus b. So 3a plus b, 3a plus b is 2. That's what he's doing here. 3a plus b is 2. So I know a is half. So I substitute half here and I get b. So I've also got b. So what I'm doing is I am matching these differences with the first thing is I come to know what kind of this is. Then I know this table. I'm matching these differences with the table and then I'm getting ABC. Or you can do this simultaneously also. If you are good at maths, what you can do is you can just subtract this and this C will go away. You'll get two unknowns in A and B and subtract this and this C two and then you for A and B. Anyway, you A plus B plus C is 1. This the first term was 1. Here the table A plus B plus C is 1. A plus B, C is 1. So then we know A and B. We know A and B. A is half. B we came out to be half. We put it here half and I get C as 0. So the A we came out to be is half. B is half. C is 0. So this will become half n square plus half n plus C. 0. The n term is this. So the cubic rarely comes. You can just remember these two and find anything. These two are the most common. The cubic also comes, but first you get used to this, then I will tell you. Did you understand?